Once a lifeline for Nashik, the Nsardi River, also known as Nandini, now paints a tragic picture. Polluted and choked by years of neglect, its waters are murky, its banks littered with waste, and its ecosystem struggling to survive. Industrial effluents, untreated sewage, and careless human activities have turned this once pristine river into an environmental concern. The cries of nature are loud and clear, calling for urgent action to restore what has been lost. But amidst this challenge, a ray of hope shines through. Podar International School, Nashik, has taken a bold step to make a difference. As part of a community volunteer program, our dedicated students and staff joined hands to clean and rejuvenate the Nsardi River.
Here we are cleaning the river Nandini. For us, river Nandini is not only a source of water, but a symbol of culture and community. We hope that our single action shall guide the future generations ahead.
We are cleaning river too, but this is just the beginning. We hope that everyone over here will join us in taking care of our river and the environment. It's all up to us to keep our environment clean and protected.
हमको ये समझना चाहिए कि हमारे जो सामने स्वच्छता रखना चाहिए, रिवर को बहुत अच्छी तरह से क्लीन रखना चाहिए। स्टूडेंट से ये हमको बहुत दिया जाता है कि हम अपने एरिया को साफ सफाई रखें।
Good afternoon, Nashik. We students and teachers of Podar International School, Nashik Tapovan, we are here at the river basin of river Nandini, which is one of the tributaries of river Godavari. As you all know, government is taking a lot of initiatives to keep rivers clean, but here there is a need to sensitize the people, the resident of this area, to keep our rivers clean. And in order to make the residents of this particular area, Tapovan Road, we are here with the students of council members of Podar International School and my teachers, my supporting staff. We all are here to make this river clean, beautiful, and we wish to spread the message of cleanliness here for the people of this area. So they should not make these rivers pollute. You can see these children have taken a lot of efforts, they have put in a lot of initiatives, and you can see that the large part of this riverbed is very much clean now. But this is not only one day initiative. Podar International School has taken this objective aim of keeping this river clean throughout the year. So we have adopted this river Nandini. Ultimately, this will benefit cleaning river Godavari. Thank you so much.
As we stand at the crossroads of environmental responsibility, the efforts of Podar International School, Nashik, serve as a shining example of how education can inspire action. Our school is not just a place for learning, it is a place for building values, creating awareness, and making a difference. By coming together to clean the Nandini River, we've shown that even small steps can lead to big changes. Our school is proud to lead this change, proving that when we care for the environment, we care for ourselves and the generations to come.